Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. I really want to thank all of you for watching. We have reached 13,000 subscribers, which is insane to me. And in this video, we are going to continue where we left off. We're doing a water-based clay. It's a female model that's reclining, and I'm using female anatomy for artists as reference. Now here's the thing. The reference that you usually get from photos is a little bit washed out, so you can't get the details that you really want for a sculpture. So you have to search for other reference. And in this one thing I try to tell people is that you should kind of go beyond just what you see. And I am going to do something a little bit different with a sculpture. First things first, I remove the feet. I do want to add details is the head. I think that everything goes around it. And one of the reference that I've been looking at are the mermaids from John William Waterhouse. He has some really great reference, and I love the way he does the hair. So I ended up tying the hair in a ponytail in the back. But generally mermaids have long flowing hair. This one just had it pinned up. If you don't know what mermaids are, they're mythological creatures that have captured the imagination of people around the world. These beings are typically depicted as half human, half fish, with the upper body of a beautiful woman and the lower body of a fishtail. The concept of mermaids has appeared in various cultures and folklore, often associated with the sea, oceans, and water in general. Mermaids' legend vary from culture to culture, and they often share common themes as beauty, allure, and sometimes danger. Mermaids are often portrayed as seductive and alluring creatures who use their voice or music to enchant sailors and lead them to their doom. In some stories, they are benevolent and helpful to humans, offering guidance or protection in exchange for kindness. The origins of the mermaid mythology are diverse, with tales dating back thousands of years to civilizations like the Greeks and Romans and Mesopotamians. Mermaids have been a popular subject in art, literature, popular culture, making appearances in countless books, movies, and of course, artworks. I've thought about several things to use in the sculpture. Mirrors and combs. In traditions, mermaids are depicted holding a mirror and a comb. They symbolize their vanity and love for personal grooming. So these objects are often to lure sailors with their reflections. Another one are the conch shells or conch shells. Mermaids sometimes shown holding conch shells or using them as trumpets. These shells are associated with the ocean and are used to convey the enchanting and ethereal nature of mermaid songs. Sometimes mermaids are portrayed as sirens, using their mesmerizing voice to seduce sailors. Musical instruments like harps or lyres are often associated with them. Pearls and treasures. Mermaids sometimes are depicted holding or surrounded by pearls and other underwater treasures. These symbolize the hidden riches and mysteries of the sea. So why am I talking about iconography? Well, it's very important in art. If you look at every single painting, every single sculpture, there's usually some iconography to go along with it. I didn't just want to have a complete flat platform, so I'm developing some conch shells that are going to help support the tail. Well, I really appreciate you guys watching. Like I said, I am very pleased that we have reached so many subscribers lately, and I'll continue to work on these sculptures. If you like the content, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next sculpture. Thank you for watching.